Hello once again from southeastern Virginia, where we're having another gorgeous day today. It's like 70 degrees and sunny and beautiful. Wind's drying out stuff. I just planted a bunch of peppers and spinach and zucchini, other stuff. We'll see what happens. Looks like we might have a little more freezing weather the rest of the year, but not much, not much. Last time you were here, we got this top deck on. It's glued and hard, and we're going to run the edge around it and cut it out to size. And since then, I got these little side pieces on. So now the frame is fully plywooded where it's supposed to be. We'll get that done, then we'll start working on this dash and turtle deck. See, the gas cap is on tight with a little clearance, and it fits. And tight under there now. So here we go. We'll start cleaning this thing up. Hope you're having a great day. Ooh, that makes a lot of sawdust. And this plywood sawdust is the worst. I taped up the end of my gas line. Actually smart about that for once. All right. Need to round it off now. Keep knocking my mic down this new little thing. I heard it works better. Hope y'all like it. I think it's too loud sometimes. All right, so deck is on finally. Gas tank is in finally. And I've got 1,000,000 pounds of sawdust inside the plane now. It's not as easy to pick up and flip over like it was before. Before I'd pick it up, flip it over, and spray it out. But I have made a mess. Oh well. Nobody puts these hours down either, you know, how long it takes to build. Spend a lot of time cleaning up. A lot of time, and I could probably box up all the sawdust I made so far. It'd be a good sized box. Okay, here's what I got made so far. That. I'm going to adjust that. And this is going to go here. Meanwhile, I got some bolts going in here. 4 of them. Then I got the iPad here. I want to give it a place to rest. So I need to put this back. Even though it shows the dimension, I think it shows it right past this line. I'm going to put it back to about here. All right, so that's where this is going to go. It needs to be an 1/8 inch smaller overall, or a 1/16. And I had it measured, but okay, it's too long. I need to take You take 3/16 off of it. All right. All right, we're good. Now I need a piece of wood there to back it up with. All right, we got an RS10 block that goes right here. I gotta decide how I want to do the windshield. It shows daggone canopy coming way back to here, making this a very tight cockpit. I don't think I want that. I think I'll leave it open from here back. Let the windshield, the dash come over with just a little small windscreen right here. And I think they had it this tall because they're going to put a hinge canopy on here. I'm not doing that, so I don't need all this wood. I can probably just use a piece of RS8 here instead. I think I will use this on the other side though. I'm going to do some thinking about this before I move on. Before I start gluing anything else up. Particulars on this dashboard and the next bulkhead. I'm going to be modifying it just a little bit, so ain't no point in putting extra wood on there I don't need. And I want to make sure I can get to my stuff okay. iPad here, little tachometer here. And then the on-off switch, push start, and a couple other switches here for other stuff if I need it. It bolts on right here. I don't really want a piece of wood right here in front of it. So if I want to take it off later, I can without trouble. I'll probably end up doing a piece of RS8 or even RS7 right here. That would probably be okay. Probably use a piece of RS7 laying down flat. Should still be able to get to that screw okay. I need to. I really need to. I guess I can leave that screw out. I don't know. I'm going to think about that for a little bit. Next episode, you'll see probably the front bulkhead glued on. Maybe this one glued on. Then I'll figure out the wood stuff after that. But it's a beautiful day outside. I think I need to go enjoy it while I can. Hope God's blessing you and you're having a beautiful day where you're at. I'm trying to work on this just fast as I can. It's hard to collect enough time, though. You know how it is when life, work, everything gets in the way. But it's coming around. But I hope to see you again soon. Take care.